We have some pretty interesting stuff that came out of FINRA today, and it is in regards to settlement. Now, I don't know if you remember, but last week was short settlement window. And if you're not familiar with what that is, FINRA short settlement, just type that into Google and click the first one that shows up. There is a such thing as a settlement window. Now, this occurs between, typically it's 2 business days. Okay, so there's a settlement date and then there's a due date that's listed here. The settlement date is when the short window starts, and the due date by 6 p.m. is when the settlement window ends. The last settlement window that we just had was between November 30th, which was last Wednesday, the exact same day that, Jerome Powell came out and pamped the markets because it was short settlement day, and the market ran through, what do you know, Friday, the last short settlement window ending. Now that that's over, obviously the markets have been correcting to the downside, but that being said, FINRA has released this message. Update ORF clearing messages. Since Monday, December 5th, 2022, FINRA is experiencing an issue with ORF clearing messages for transactions that are canceled, corrected, broken, or reversals, and thus causing duplicate settlement messages and incorrect settlement amounts for those transactions. In the interim, until FINRA resolves the issue, FINRA requests ORF clients work with their clearing firms to send the necessary transactions directly to NSCC that will adjust the settlement imbalances. Firms should continue to monitor any ORF cancels, corrections, and reversals submitted for potential imbalances at NSCC and work with their clearing firms until FINRA announces the issue has been resolved. So this is very interesting. I've never seen this before, this issue, so just wanted to point that out. Could be nothing, could be something to keep in the back of your mind. But I just wanted to let you know that this is going on. There is duplicate settlement messages, which messages in the industry, that means one-way transactions back and forth, messages. There is duplicates of them being, or I guess, clogging up their system. So they will be monitoring this closely, and an announcement will be announced when this is resolved. So I just wanted to point that out. There are settlement imbalances right now in the market.